back to the channel. Oh my god, we haven't seen you in such a long while. Welcome to the Jamaican Charades, where we're gonna do the patwa category.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Jason's channel. Today we're going to play this little charade game, the patwa category. So let's get right into the video. This little game. Not sure if y'all seen it, but it's a very fun game. Ready?
You sure you want to do this?
Yes, I want to do the patwa.
Alright. Describe in English the patwa word of the card and your teammate to guess.
Okay.
So describe in English.
In English?
Yep.
Okay. Turn on.
Tell me in English and I will say it in patwa.
Pause. Flowers.
Bush.
Flowers.
Flowers.
Yes. Correct.
Rapid.
Up. And I go. Hello.
Yo.
Hello.
Hey.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Yo me G.
Hello.
Who this?
Go down. Hello. Hello.
Rapid.
Pass. Better.
Better.
Or up. Time's up.
Rapid.
Whoa. Them part where one name piggin.
Pigeon. Bless up. Ja bless.
Bless up. How are you?
Ja bless.
Jesus bless.
God bless.
God bless.
No, you get it wrong. Go down.
Alright.
Down. Throw.
True.
Yeah, up. Girl.
Girl.
Focus to turn it so baby that they can see it. Girl.
Gal.
Up. Give me.
Gimme.
Up. Land.
Lan.
Up. Oh, the time's up.
What did they give?
Catch. That was the settle. They get 4 right.
Alright.
Sorry. Come baby, if you turn it to them, honest I wrote your face. But you're not cheap.
Look alike.
Favor.
Little.
Little. Small. Little. Put in.
Pass. Pass. Little bit.
Little bit.
Um.
I'm if you pass it.
Candle.
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 Yes. Up.
Oh yeah, forgot to say a part of it.
Up. Doors.
Them there.
Mall.
Plaza.
Mall.
Marl.
Mall. Pass.
Oh, forgot to say. Oh, sorry. Forgot to say.
Mouth.
Mouth.
Darling. Time's up. Darling.
I get 4 correct though.
I love it. Alright, ready?
You turn to them, take it on your foot. Darling.
Darling.
Go on. Correct. I don't know a proper setting for patu. So dumb. Dumb. Better.
Better.
Up. I heard that.
Me ear say.
Up. Don't know where for right. Throw it away.
Throw away. Dash away.
Dash way. Up. In it.
Inna it.
Inner. Up. Why writing to body rider? Bottom rider?
Short.
I don't know.
Short,
Skip down. After.
After.
You get enough, man. 5.
Woo!
Let's go.
Go Patwa gang. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Darling.
Darling.
Up. Farmer.
Farmer.
Better.
Better.
No. Butter.
Come here, waste the time.
Him.
Him.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then.
No hair at all.
Ball.
No ear on the head.
Ballad.
Stop provoking me.
Stop trouble me. Stop provoke me.
One. Bada me.
Ball.
Time's up. 4.
Ooh.
I didn't do a good job with that one.
Come here, guys.
Alright, ready?
Wood.
Wood. Wood.
Yeah. Up. Thursday.
Thursday.
Up. Grind.
Grind.
Hard.
Hard.
No, you get that wrong. Hard.
Oh, me
Broke.
figures. Broke.
Up.
Figures that me do the part.
Put down.
Put on.
Foreign.
Farine.
Give me.
Gimme.
Skip. Skip. You put 2 right on it. Something dirty.
Dirty.
Right. Cry.
Ball.
Up. Go down.
Go down.
Up. Out. You put 2. You put 2 right. You get wrong. You know you get boy 8. See that?
What? What? I did that on my own.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready to
I'll do
go.
this fast. Hotter.
Hotter.
Eyeball.
Me ball. You say eyeball. Oh,
Eyeball.
eyeball.
Up. Up. Up.
Backside, man.
Heard that.
Here say.
If.
If.
If. Back off.
Move.
Back off.
Back off. Back off.
Good.
Back off. Back off.
Up. Up.
Back foot.
Push.
Push down.
Push.
Move.
Choke.
Choke. You choke. Alright.
Time's up.
Okay. You get 5.
I'm the winner. One more meal.
I have to explain them to you good enough, but you just have to take your time. Wow. Put it. This.
This year.
Up. Don't eat too much. Eat everything.
Nyam too much.
Eat everything that people offer you.
Nyami.
No.
Crave.
Next one. It's the next one.
Love big.
It's the next thing.
No.
Licky.
Okay.
Dong.
Oh man.
Mattress. My girl is a gear
Mattress.
point. Yeah. Up. My girl is a gear point. Up. Down. I don't know if you put that bang around. Down. Down, babe. Mine.
For me.
Up. Mine, yeah. Me see y'all.
Me not looking.
Up, 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 up. Can I put you up now? Alright. I get 3. If me don't get 12 out of 12 right now, you'll me lose. So you have to give me this something properly.
Alright.
Let's go.
Lost.
Last.
Back off.
Back off.
Up. Up, babe. Husband.
Husband.
Up. Down, down, down. Leave.
Left.
Leave.
Oh. Leave.
Leave.
Left, left, left.
Good.
Left, left.
Foreign.
Fine.
Urinate.
Peace.
I don't know. Skip.
Need Jesus.
That.
This.
That.
This.
Babe, no must that.
That day.
God. Alright, so I won the game. I won 12. I went 12.
Remember saying that 12 day you
Make
go
give
up to
myself
the-
1
You give
point.
yourself 2.
So but I still win with 11. So that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. If you are new here, welcome to Jason's channel, Razorblade. And if you're there for a long time, welcome back. Have a great day. Bye. Don't forget to comment. Right? Blah. What's your problem? Stop.
Baby, still recording?